What the? Neo right now, and do a small flight. Just to look around this area. I've been here several times before. The wind is a little high. It's like 30-kilometer wind gusts, but I think we should be okay. Let's see. Let's get out there.
Take off. Home point updated.
We won't go too high, but we want to clear these trees, that's for sure. We're flying into the sun. I'll just bring the camera gimbal down a little bit. Strong winds, it's already complaining, so maybe we should stick to the land. It's complaining about strong winds.
Is it?
Yeah. It's tiny, right, this one? Here it comes. Yeah?
Yeah. The old man is throwing a ball to her.
It's just complaining about strong winds, baby. So I don't think I want to risk. Fly back this way.
Well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird, bird.
Oh, there's lots of birds. I just scared them all. I'm not surprised that this drone would scare the birds because it's pretty loud. Look at them all. Look above you. I'm trying to avoid them. I scared them. It is. How do I get back here? They're all in flight right now. Okay. They're all coming right towards me. I have to avoid those lights too. The light balls. table.
Landing.
I'd like to just say a couple of things that have been on my mind regarding the Neo. So everyone's comparing the Neo to other DJI drones, and that's probably not fair. And I think I caught myself doing that too. I think what the question really is what other drone from any other manufacturer comes close to the options and the camera of the Neo. I mean, at that budget, at that range. I don't think there's many out there that can come that close with so many features packed in it. But if we really want to compare the DJI Neo to something, it should be any other drone other than DJI. Because to be honest, there hasn't been another competitor that can produce a drone at this price level with so many features. And that's all I'm going to say about that. So I wanted to fly this location with the Neo. It turns out that there was high wind, and I'll post it. And it was around golden hour too. And I think one of the reasons I'm debating to get some ND filters is because of that reason. Perhaps those will help with the glare when you're flying during the golden hour. So in conclusion, you saw that I just walked it right into that flight path. My flight path was right over those seagulls. The Neo is not quiet. It's quite loud, and I guess I scared one or two of them, and then the rest was history. All the seagulls just came up at the same time. I kind of panicked there, but it was all good. When I did that turn, you could see the glare from the sun. That was difficult, obviously. I mean, for any drone, I think unless you have a polarized lens, you'd probably face this same kind of situation. The thing is, I didn't feel like I should be going over the water at that point, mainly for two reasons: the wind and all these seagulls that were up in the air. And at that point I decided to bring back the drone and land it, which even then was a little bit interesting, because the drone was being pushed around by the wind. But it's a really fun drone to have with you. Spur of the moment, you take it out of your pocket, you put it up in the air and do what you want to do. Anyways, thanks for joining, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, hit the like, and smash that notification bell. That'll tell me that you are interested in hearing more about drones. Thanks.